We're back with another knife review. Today it's with the latest knife brand, the Ultra X. This model is called the Boa. We'll get started telling you about it. It is a 8.25 inch overall folding flipper knife. It's a manual flipper. The blade length is 3.14. Handles 4.75. Blade width is 0.13. It is a G10 handle with a carbon fiber inlay. Lanyard hole. Pocket clip is stainless steel, tip-up carry, right-handed. Has a Tonto style blade. Stainless steel liners with 3 spacers. Has the see-through chassis. It is a liner lock. And this model is the OD Green. Has a D2 steel blade. And it weighs 4.86 ounces. I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but it's called the Boa. Comes in this snazzy box. For those of you that watch our show regularly, you'll see the significance of the snazzy box. Go ahead and show you how it cuts. We'll bring over some paracord. This knife blade comes in at about 60 to 62 on the hardness scale. As you can tell, it cuts very smoothly without hardly any fraying on the paracord. Get a piece of cardboard here. I expect this knife to perform well since it is D2. We'll start by doing more of a, whoops, I did not go all the way through there. For some reason it hopped at the end. Doing a little precision cut. There's something in the cardboard. I don't know what it is. When it gets to this ending point, there we go. It doesn't want to keep going. As you can tell, it's pretty sharp. Cuts pretty nicely without much effort. You just push it into the knife. Push the knife into the cardboard. And it cuts pretty smoothly there. I do expect this knife to have a nice spear cut there. This is always important to me. I like to see the knife, this cardboard's kind of damp, I think is what the problem is. Cut through. And I like to be able to have nice control of the knife head as I'm pushing it through. Alright, let's clean that up. So once again, this is the Ultra X Boa. Told you it's about 8.25 inches overall. Blade length of about 3.5. For those of you that are watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife and like our post. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. You can watch our weekly show or our knife reviews. If you're into knives, you should be into our channel. Once again, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.